Hey YouTube, just finishing up a scroll saw project for a friend. Anyways, was going through doing the sanding and all the little touch-up stuff, getting it ready for them to hang on the wall. And with any plywood, which is what this is cut out of, you're going to get gaps somewhere inside in the wood between the layers. And I got these all filled in. I thought, well, everyone, for me it's common knowledge, but everyone might not realize an easy way to fill and hide all those holes. And let me show you what I'm talking about. Here's part of the E that was cut out. Now if you look sideways, you can actually see there's gaps and just holes inside that plywood. So let me show you a quick and easy way how to do it. If you know how to do it, hey, you can go on to the next video. If not, hang out. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the letter and we're going to fill these holes in. So, what's it take? Well, I use a little screwdriver. You can use really about anything you want. I guess it's small enough to press it in there. I like this Titebond wood glue. It is, to me, it's a very strong, relatively quick setting, but the fact that it's so strong, I like it, especially if you break a very small piece off and need to put it back on. You don't need a lot of surface area. This stuff holds up pretty good. And then just some sawdust from collected from under the saw. So let's get zoomed in here, get squared up. Alright, so all we're going to do is, let's open the glue. There we go. And a little close. There we go. And then just take some sawdust, put it in there, and then use your screwdriver or whatever you're using and just mix that all up. And there's not really a set amount of how much you need to put in there. I do it where it's still just it's still moist, but there's a lot of wood mixed in with it. So then take it and just press it into your hole. Do the same thing on the other side, or whatever you got. And like here, you can see it, there's actually a long groove in there. You can fill that entire section up if you want. Just fill it in. Don't smooth it out completely, leave it a little textured, and then you can come back and sand it up. Sorry if I'm getting out of frame there. And that's it. This'll, once it dries up, the glue will pretty much be invisible. Then you come back with a piece of sandpaper, run over that, and it just looks like the hole wasn't even there. So, little quick tip. Hope it helps y'all out. Have a great day.